TikTok's music streaming platform holds immense potential for the music industry. TikTok, the popular social media platform, has recently ventured into the realm of music streaming, a move that could have a profound impact on the music industry. This innovative endeavor has the potential to reshape the way music is discovered, shared, and monetized, presenting significant opportunities for artists and the broader music ecosystem. The emergence of TikTok's music streaming platform is seen as a game changer, given the platform's enormous user base and influence. With millions of users globally, TikTok has already demonstrated its power to catapult songs and artists to viral fame through its short-form video format. By integrating music streaming capabilities, TikTok aims to provide a seamless experience for users to discover, stream, and engage with music content directly within the app. This development holds particular significance for emerging artists seeking to gain exposure and build a fan base. TikTok's algorithm-driven content recommendation system can amplify songs and artists, enabling them to reach a massive audience swiftly. The platform's unique ability to spark viral trends and challenges has the potential to generate a surge in popularity for undiscovered talents, leading to increased opportunities for industry recognition and financial success. Moreover, TikTok's music streaming platform presents new revenue streams for artists and the music industry at large. By integrating licensing agreements with major record labels and music publishers, TikTok can ensure that artists are fairly compensated for their work. Additionally, the platform's built-in features, such as in-app purchases and live events, offer avenues for monetization beyond traditional streaming royalties, providing artists with additional income streams and fostering a more sustainable music ecosystem. The introduction of TikTok's music streaming platform also has broader implications for the music industry as a whole. It signifies a shift in how music is consumed and shared, with social media platforms becoming influential discovery channels for new music. This trend aligns with the evolving preferences of younger generations who actively seek out music through social platforms rather than traditional radio or streaming services. While TikTok's entry into the music streaming space presents exciting opportunities, it also poses challenges and potential concerns. As the platform expands its music-related offerings, issues surrounding licensing, copyright protection, and fair compensation for artists will require careful attention and industry collaboration to ensure a balanced and sustainable ecosystem. In conclusion, TikTok's foray into music streaming has the potential to revolutionize the music industry. With its vast user base and influential nature, TikTok can amplify artists' reach and provide new revenue streams. This development reflects the evolving landscape of music consumption, with social media platforms playing a pivotal role in music discovery and promotion. As TikTok's music streaming platform unfolds, collaboration between industry stakeholders will be crucial to address challenges and maximize the benefits for artists, music creators, and audiences alike.